Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your video in CapCut PC with a Chromatic Diffusion Effect. So here I've already imported a clip that I want to edit, and the Chromatic Diffusion Effect can be found on the Effects tab in here at the top, and then body effects. You need to click on the body effects and click on the hallucinations category. And in here, if you scroll down, you'll find the chromatic diffusion effect. So download it first. Click on the arrow down and then click on the plus icon to apply it to your clips. So this is what the effects will look like to your clip. But you can always make some adjustment in here in the details effect. You can adjust the blur, the filter, and also the size and letter chromatic aberration, like this. So when you like with the result, you can just save your clips. So this is the result. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.